This is a sponsored product I got for review, and I am super excited about this. This is designed for above ground pools, and you can also install it in ground pool depending on your setup. So you can also synchronize this with Poolhacker fountain, which has solar panel as well. So you can see here, once you open the package, this is what you see. The top has really large solar panel, and you got a remote control, and you can see here you have the adjustment knob. This will allow you, depending on whatever setup you have. So for above ground pool, you would just install this here. This will go inside the pole, and you will be able to secure it, so the light will brighten inside your pool. So this is what you get, and this is how you install it here. You can see it has lots of LED lights here. So let's turn it on. You can see it turns on. You can press the button and cycle through the different color options. So it looks really nice. I believe you can synchronize this with the Poolhacker fountain with the remote. I will try that. I have it. So I'm gonna pause here and go ahead and install it in the pool and show you guys how to install it. So you can see here, before do that, you have plus and negative side. So I don't think you can really miss that, but you would just click it here, which this part will go inside the pool. So let's go ahead and install it. So as you guys can see over there, I have the Poolhacker fountain light as well, and that is solar. So the remote control controls everything. So if I press red, you will see uh, sometimes it just take a couple seconds, but it's just synchronized, and they take also over here. You can see I press different color, they all change. So just like this, really cool. So that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just demonstrate you guys how to install this. So I will install it just on this corner. So this is the middle of the pool. So over here you can see I decided to do it at dark time so you guys can see how it looks. So over here you can see I just adjust it, and it just fits very snuggle, and you can just tighten all the way, and it's not gonna move. So this is, once you get no more room, that's where it stays, and you can see that's how it looks. So let me go over there and show you guys. As you guys can see, I just installed it over there on the corner, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks at night. So once you press the remote, you can change the color, or you can press the button on the unit as well, and you will be able to change the color. So it has bunch of different color options. As you can see, you can cycle through them. You can just have it like transition by itself, kind of flashing light. You can see it will just do different lighting options. You can see works really well. You guys can see it just works really well together. I really like it. So with the remote control you can control all of them, so they will be able to synchronize, so whatever the option you choose. So overall, I really enjoy these products. I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.